This is part 3 of the Momentum series, the ADX, the Average Directional Index.
This one is different from most indicators you'll come across. It doesn't tell you which direction a stock is moving. It tells you how strong the trend is, whatever direction that trend happens to be.
ADX measures strength, not direction. The ADX is derived from two underlying lines, the plus DI, or positive directional indicator, and the minus DI, or negative directional indicator. These measure upward and downward price movements separately. The ADX itself is a smoothed average of the relationship between those two lines. The result is a single value between 0 and 100 that tells you how much directional conviction is in the current move. To know which way the trend is pointing, you look at whether plus DI is above or below negative DI, but the ADX number itself is purely about strength. Here's the standard interpretation. Below 20, weak or no trend. The stock is likely chopping sideways. Momentum strategies don't work well here. 20 to 25. A trend is beginning to develop. Worth watching. 25 to 50. A strong, meaningful trend is in place. This is the zone where momentum trades have the most support behind them. Above 50, an exceptionally strong trend. Rare, but when you see it, the move has real conviction behind it. And importantly, a rising ADX matters as much as the absolute number. An ADX climbing from 18 to 28 tells you momentum is building, even before it crosses the 25 threshold. Why this matters in practice. The ADX earns its place in a research workflow because it helps you avoid false signals from other indicators. Every momentum indicator generates noise in choppy, trendless markets. The ADX tells you upfront whether there's a trend worth applying those indicators to. If the ADX is below 20, it's often better to wait, not because the company is bad, but because the conditions for a momentum trade aren't there yet. The ADX is one of the 19 technical indicators available in the NWC-Analytics Technical Analysis Dashboard, including the plus DI and minus DI components, so you can see both trend strength and direction in one place.